Hello treasures, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you another special Zobo drink recipe or hibiscus drink recipe. This was so yummy, so refreshing, so sweet, and so healing. Yeah, it is medicinal. So let's get started. So here I have my Zobo leaf. You can also call this hibiscus flower or hibiscus leaf. Some call it sorrel drink. So we have sorrel leaf also. All I'll do is to go ahead into my kitchen and wash this thoroughly. This is always very sandy. It has so much sand because we'll buy it in the open market. So when you get this, you have to wash it very well. I'll take it to my kitchen, wash it very well, and we continue from there. After washing the zobo leaf thoroughly, I'll then transfer into my cooking pot. I have other ingredients I'll cook along with this, and pineapple skin is one of them. So I'll add enough pineapple skin to the zobo leaf. I also have carrot skin here. Carrot skin, that is the peel of carrot. So I'm also adding that into the pot. I have some grated ginger. The quantity of the ginger you're adding depends on you and depends also on the quantity of the zobo you're making. The same thing with cloves. I just added some cloves, washed cloves. I also have lemon skin. If you have orange skin, you can also add that. Add any skin of add any skin of your choice. Please be careful of the skin you're adding. In my previous Zobo leaf, I added Zobo tea, sorry, Zobo drink or Zobo tea. I added watermelon skin. Please ignore the noise you're hearing at the background. I can't do anything about it. I'm sorry. Please. Then after adding everything, I added enough water to it. Then stir to mix everything together. Cover and allow to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our zobo is well cooked. So I will stir it one more time, stir it very well one more time, then put off the gas and allow it to cool down. To flavor, sweeten, and add more nutrients to my Zobo drink, I'll be adding carrots, pineapple, watermelon, and the lemon. So I'll go ahead to blend all this. Also be adding it date. This is our main sweetener. I have here 1 cup of dates which I've already deseeded and soaked to soften for some hours. I'll add it into the blender and blend along with the fruits. Back to our zobo, it has cooled down enough and I've sieved out or removed all the ingredients we used in cooking it. So the next thing we're going to do now is to add our blended ingredients into it. Hope you know at this stage you can drink your zobo this way. If you're making zobo to drink it as a medicine, you don't need to add all the ingredients we blended. You just sieve it like this and drink. This can help to lower your high blood pressure. Yes, so I heard and so I read. So let's sweeten and flavor our zobo with all the blended ingredients. The pineapple, carrots, watermelon, dates, and the coconut flavor. Then stir this together and sieve it for one more. Let me test it for you. Yeah, I told you this drink is so sweet. This is so refreshing. Mmm. Whoa, you need to give this a try. Yeah, treasures, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you're going to like and share the video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.